హాయ్ గాయస్, అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఇవాళ వైట్ సెన్సేషన్ ప్రెస్ మీట్ జరుగుతుంది అండ్ ఇట్స్ రియలీ గుడ్ టు నో దట్ ఇలాంటి కొత్త కొత్త ఇది ఇండియాకు వస్తుంది. ఇన్ఫ్యాక్ట్ వైట్ సెన్సేషన్ ఇస్ నాట్ అ న్యూ థింగ్. 16 yearsకి it's been all over the world అనమాట. They've started in Amsterdam and they've gone everywhere and not just for party animals andi kani things like concerts and music festivals is a new thing to India. It's something that is growing with the day and age, and people, especially the young ones like you, me, everybody, all of us are trying to get new things, trying to make India more explosive, trying to get India to be on the map for few things, and stuff like this. When people like this come over here, it seems like a whole new thing, and I'm so glad that we are opening ourselves up to these things. Ilanti kotta kotta, I don't even know what to say for it. It's really nice to see that we are opening ourselves up and encouraging this to happen. The boundaries are breaking, and I'm so happy I'm so glad that White Sensation after 16 years is coming to India for the first time. This is something really big for all of us. I request all of y'all, not even request, in fact, if you guys come there, it's going to be so much fun. You have your favorite DJs, you have Afrojack, you have Axwell, you have everyone coming there together to make it. And they also have something called the 360 stage. What more do you want? You're going to be there in the middle of everything. It's going to be so much fun. Get there. I'm going to be there, and you have to do just one thing: wear only white. White is the form of purity, so they want everyone to get together and just be pure, just have fun, be yourselves, and I'm so glad to be a part of this. సో ఎంత కనెక్షన్ అయితే, నేను స్నానం చేసినప్పుడు కూడా ఐ హ్యావ్ టు హ్యావ్ మ్యూజిక్ ప్లేయింగ్. I have to have like a speaker that is waterproof. బాత్రూంలోనే ఉండాలి. I have to have music all the time with me. నేను సపోజ్ నా మూడ్ బాగాలేదంటే ఇప్పుడు మ్యూజిక్ వింటాను, మూడ్ బాగున్నప్పుడు కూడా మ్యూజిక్ వింటాను. జర్నీ లైక్ ఇఫ్ ఐమ్ డ్రైవింగ్ ఆర్ ఇఫ్ ఐమ్ ఇన్ ద కార్, అప్పుడు కూడా మ్యూజిక్ వినాలి. సో మ్యూజిక్ is something that is a part and parcel of all our lives. In fact, when I was talking to somebody, something as simple as the national anthem. What is patriotism? It is associated with a national anthem. National anthem ain't, it's a song. It's when you sing Jana Gana Mana, you actually feel like you're associated with your country. So songs can actually make you feel things. So, and especially in like a concert, in a music festival like this, you are with the people you love, you're with your friends. So music is something that means a lot to all of us, I think. Country law, it's one of the things that has always been an issue. With poverty, with the lack of education, with everything, this thing has also been an issue. And I feel like we're becoming a better country in terms of women empowerment. We're slowly, with leaders like Modi and everyone, coming up slowly and actually making this an issue. There's so much awareness that's created, and I'm sure that only in the future it's just going to get better. To all the women in India, a very, very, very happy Women's Day.